Alright guys, today is Sunday. I will give you one guess what the weather is like today. Anyways, there's a brownout up in Daul. So I'm down here right now at San Fernando, or not, yeah, San Fernando, SM Mall, San Fernando. Doing some window shopping, looking for an iPad mini, doing window shopping. Excuse me, doing some window shopping, that's all I'm doing. Let's get out, walk around. Looked at the store, no power there also. So this was a scheduled brownout. We knew about it, I think Friday we knew about it. They say 5 o'clock supposed to come back on. So anyways, like I said, I'm up here in San Fernando and I'm going to stroll around the mall and do some window shopping. All right guys, we'll do a little mall video. I'm checking some settings out on the GoPro. I was at 2.7 at 60 frames. Now I'm at 2.7 at 30. The 2.7 at 60 just seemed to take forever to upload. So I lowered the frames per second down to 30. So we'll give this a shot. Yeah, just the mall. San Fernando. Nice mall, big mall. Let me think. Outside they have a big amusement park. Last time when we were up here, we brought Hannah Grace and her friend Jackie up, and they had a good time. We went out, hung out at the amusement park area, rode a couple rides. Yeah, it's a nice, definitely a nice mall. Like I said, outside they have the amusement park with all kinds of rides to ride on for the kids. Is it a Six Flags? No, not really, but it's nice. Huge Ferris wheel. But I would say this mall is bigger than SM Clark. At least to me, I think it's bigger. And right across the street, they have the Robinsons Mall also. So you got two malls right here. I have yet to go over to the Robinson Mall. Yeah, I haven't gone over there yet. But one thing I've noticed, I've probably said this before, people here, they love coming to the mall. It's a gathering place, and everybody is just happy. They're smiling, they're enjoying themselves. Of course, people are taking selfies, which is normal. Compared to back in the States, the malls, you know, the malls that I know growing up, a lot of them aren't even in existence anymore. Online shopping has taken them out of business. But the one mall I used to go to was the King of Prussia Mall. That was huge. I think it was one of the biggest on the northeast coast. Massive mall. But everybody in there, they're in a hurry to go here, to go there, get out of my way, move. I got to get in, get out. But here, everybody's just having a good time, smiling and laughing and just having a good time. Your typical mall. There's a second floor. I think that's a lot of food up there. But yeah, this is a nice mall. You guys, you know what else I've noticed here? Oh, I spoke too soon. Here's one. I was gonna say I don't notice many trash cans in the mall here, but I spoke too soon. You gotta kind of find them. They're not all out in the open and in your face. Here's another thing. I don't know if people are aware of this. I'm sure those that are here and those that come here are aware of this. But if you eat somewhere like McDonald's, Burger King, Jollibee, wherever you eat fast food like that, you just leave your stuff on the table. Back in the States, we pick up our trays and our garbage and we dump them into the trash can and we go. Here you just leave it. So when I get back to the States, I'll have to remember that, to grab my trash and throw it out. I mean, they pay people to clean up, so it gives somebody a job. But I thought it was a little bizarre at the beginning. And when I first started coming here, I kept putting my stuff together to look for a trash can, and people would grab it from me and say, no, 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 just we take care of it. Yeah, that's one of the things that, if you weren't aware of it, they do that here. So, all right, guys, I got to find this cyber zone. It's down here to the right. All right, guys, this is the cyber zone area. It's definitely a lot bigger than up in Angeles. That's why I came up here. So I knew they probably might have what I'm looking for. I'm also looking for also looking for a microphone adapter to the GoPro. I need the adapter so I can plug in my microphone, and you can only get a GoPro. It is the only attachment that'll work. GoPro made it like that. You need that microphone attachment. So that's another thing I'm looking for. But I figured I'd take a quick stroll around here and show you the cyber zone here. Very colorful. Lots of people, lots of stores, lots of gadgets. CDR King. They're all over the place. Alright guys, that's enough of the cyber zone. Now I gotta go do some window shopping. Alright, it is Monday now. Nothing really went on yesterday. It's brown out yesterday. Yeah, brown out yesterday. Power came on about 4 o'clock, 4:30, something like that. And just kind of hung out in the shop, in the store. Watched it rain. Rained all day, pretty heavy. Anyways, today is Monday, and guess what, guys? Somebody has no school today. Hannah Grace has no school today, and she's very happy. They canceled school because of the rain. It's terrible. A lot of rain yesterday. A lot of flooding down in Manila and all around there. I was watching the news. But anyways, today is also cleaning day. We have the store shut down for the day. Luisa's brother's here, and he's cleaning too. And Lut and I, we got some running around to do. We got to get up to the bank. She's got to check her ATM card. I keep saying Mac card because I don't know. That's what I called it back in the States. But ATM card. We got to head up there. We got some running around to do. Got to pay the cable bill. I got to pick up medication. I got to get to the bank. What else? Pick up some cat food, some cat litter for the cat litter box. But yeah, we're going to do some running around. All right, so we just got done. Well, we're not done yet. We went to the bank, and Lit went in there with her ATM card and explained to them that she can't punch in her numbers. It won't give her money, basically. Now, she had 3 cards that she got last month. And what happens is, like anywhere else, you get your card. Here what happens is when you apply for the cards and everything like that, they tell you to come back a week later. You come back a week later, they do not mail it to you. You come back a week later, you pick up your cards, and of course you get a temporary PIN. So you go over to the Mac machine, ATM machine, and input your temporary PIN to change it. So we did that. She put in a temporary PIN, changed it to the PIN number she wanted. And what we did, and we always do this, it says successfully changed. We pull the card out and we put each card back in. She punched in her new PIN number and she did a balance inquiry,
and they gave her a balance inquiry, and you know, told her everything was good to go. And we did that with all 3 cards. I know we did it because I was standing there with Lit when we did it. So we did that, and now what they're telling her is that we never changed the PIN numbers. And I said, yes, we did. They said, no, you didn't, according to our system here, da-da-da-da. Well, what are you going to do? You're going to go back and forth. You know, yes, you did, no, you didn't. Yes, you did, no, you didn't. So Lut thinks she has the paperwork with the old PIN number on it. And she's going to go home. Well, we're going to go home later on, find a paper, and then go back in and try to rechange the PIN numbers again, which I know for a fact we did. If you request a new card, because I said, now what do we do? And they said, well, if you don't have your paper with the original PIN number in it, we have to issue new cards. And they get 150 pesos each, $3 roughly for new cards. So now we got to go home, like I said, find the old card, the old paperwork, and rechange the PIN. But that's how it works here. Like I said, you go in, you apply for it. They don't mail it to you. You go back into the bank about a week later, pick them up, and change your PIN number. So anyways, that was the outcome of Lut and her ATM card. So now we are, where are we going now? Oh, she's in there paying the cable bill up here. So anyways, moving on. All right, guys, got to head over to South Star Drug right now and grab my medication for the month. Peso exchange rate. I just exchanged some money today. It was 53.10, so that's a pretty good exchange rate. I think this past weekend I seen it was 52, 80, 90, something like that. So it has gone up Monday. So anyways, South Star Drug, that's where we're going right now to grab my medication. All right, so they didn't have all my medicine. Sometimes, you know, they're short sometimes. No big deal. If you really need it, there's other pharmacies to go to. But I always go to South Star here. And the way this works is when you walk into the pharmacy, some pharmacies you take a number. Other pharmacies, you just kind of walk up to the counter, and then they'll come up, they'll ask you what you need. Sometimes, depends on the medication, you need a prescription for it, and others you don't. If you go in and ask, when you're there, they'll tell you whether or not you need a script or not. But with my medication for my diabetes, I have a script I got. It's almost been like a year now, and I just keep coming in with the same script, and they keep filling it. But that's how it works here at the pharmacies. Like I said, go in and go up to the counter, tell them what you need, and they'll tell you if you need a script or not. And that's how it works. So now we are rolling. Actually, we're going to get something to eat now. I'm hungry. All right, we are finally back after running around. I don't know, it took us about 3 hours, something like that. By the time we left the house, I went to the bank and went to the pet store and exchanged money and grabbed something to eat. And guess what, guys? Lut, did you find it? Is that it, Lut? Oh, we can't zoom in. Somebody will take your PIN number. Did you find them, Lut?
Yeah, but I don't...
One or two?
Huh?
One or two of them?
Only one.
Well, she found one of her cards for
I'm gonna go upstairs.
her ATM. She's gonna go upstairs and check. So that's a good thing. So you know how most people just throw away. I mean, I threw mine away because I figured it was good to go. But yeah, Hannah Grace and Norvalin have been cleaning, and they have the place spotless. Right, Hannah Grace? What cleaning did you do?
Table and the pictures.
Table and the pictures? What else?
Table and the pictures and nothing else.
And nothing else? What have you been doing the whole time? Tablet?
Watching tablet.
Tablet time?
No.
No? Cartoons? No? Bothering Norvalin? No?
Doing experiments.
Oh, experiments. Oh, okay.
Doing experiments.
All right. Hey guys, you know what? Yesterday when I was out and about walking around up there at the mall up at San Fernando, SM Pampanga there, San Fernando, I was window shopping, but guess what? I think I went beyond window shopping. I picked something up that I've been wanting, and they had it, I got it, so let me show you what it is. All right, before I go any further, good news. Look, found the other papers. So now she has the paper with the original PIN numbers on that she can change, so that's a good thing. We don't have to purchase any more cards or get new cards, so good deal. So I guess the lesson here is don't throw away those papers just in case. Anyways, guys, here's what I just picked up. I've been wanting this for a while. Like I said, I was up at the mall and I texted Lut and I said, hey, look, they have it. What do you think? Should I get it? She said, get it because you're gonna either get it now or you're gonna get it later. But anyways, here it is. I picked up iPad Mini 2. Apple iPad Mini 2. I wanted something smaller that I could take around besides, you know, the big laptop. Not only that, for flying the drone, it's hard. Let me show you. Here's the cell phone. There's the screen. Here's the Mini 2 or the Mini 4, the Apple iPad Mini 4. It's a big screen. You can see clearly. Because when you're flying a drone, that little screen I have that I'm using for my phone, it's just so small you can't see anything. And people recommended the iPad Mini 4, great screen. But plus, like I said, you know, I'm lugging that thing around all the time. I wanted to get something a little bit smaller. So yeah, I picked that up. You know what, I even looked online, you know, people that are selling computer products and iPads, things like that here. And here's the thing with that. I probably could have found one used, but the thing is, you don't know what you're getting. You know, you might be getting somebody else's headache, you might be getting somebody else's problems, it might not work right, something might be broke. You don't know. There's no guarantee, so when you hand over the money, you're getting it secondhand from somebody as is. And you know what, I didn't want to take that chance. So like I said, I just picked that up, and once this rain stops, I want to get out there and start flying the drone. I purchased the adapter that goes into the controller for the drone, so the iPad will sit up on top. It does fit in the controller, it's just how it sits and how your hand is positioned, it's a little uncomfortable. So anyways, I just ordered that off of Lazada, and that's it. I mean, we're just gonna stay home now, hang out. Tonight, Lut and I are gonna go get a massage at, what's the place called?
Nai Thai.
Nai Thai. Nai Thai. Nai Thai. It's up by the Red Planet. We've gone there before. Excellent massages, no funny business going on there, but that's what we're doing this evening. Supposed to meet up with a subscriber. I haven't checked my messages yet. They invited us out to eat for tonight, and like I said, I'm gonna check their messages, but beyond that, nothing else is really going on, so I'm gonna wrap this one up. Lut, what do you have anything to say, Lut?
Huh?
Have anything to say?
Same. If you haven't subscribed to his channel yet, please subscribe, give some thumbs up, thumbs down. Choice is always yours. Until next time.
There it is. Until next time.